So Injective Protocol is up 500% this year, and that makes it one of the best assets in 2023, cryptocurrency or otherwise. And Injective is especially appealing right now because really all signs point to the fact that it's expected to maintain its bullish momentum. CoinCodex has made a very bold prediction. They're saying that INJ has a chance of rallying 126% in the next 29 days. And this is all happening in the context of Injective's exponentially growing ecosystem. The growth there is explosive. And so it stands to reason that there are definitely going to be early opportunities there in that ecosystem that could 10x, that could 50x, maybe 100x or more. And the good news is that there's 4 of them that we've identified in particular. And so today we're going to explore 4 super early crypto gems in the Injective ecosystem. Welcome to the channel. My name is Maddie and this is Altcoin Buzz. Best of luck if you choose to invest. Just remember, I am not an official financial or investment advisor, and therefore this video is not official financial or investment advice. Heads up if you're watching this video because we have a new exclusive campaign with ByBit, this time with up to $81,000 in prizes. You can get your share and you can earn up to $30,000 just based on how much you deposit and trade. Also, we're launching our brand new trading competition that has up to $51,000 in its prize pool. And the idea here is super simple. The more you deposit and trade, the more you can earn. And if you want to find out more, just click the link in the description below. Let's talk a little bit about Injective Protocol. If you're entirely new to the project, here's what you need to know. Injective is a layer 1 financial chain that is part of the IBC in the Cosmos ecosystem. It's also an app chain. In other words, all apps run on their own blockchain. However, they also all link to the main layer 1 chain. And Injective is interoperable. So for example, Polygon, Solana, Ethereum, Polkadot, and of course, Cosmos and IBC, all of these connect. And here's some other tidbits about Injective that are pretty important, that are notable as far as projects go. So for instance, in 2023, their wallet count increased from 14,000 to 28,000. That's a doubling. That's a 100% increase. Currently, they have about 100 new wallets every day, and 80% of their INJ token is already in circulation. And the protocol puts 60% of INJ trading fees into an auction, and it burns the value of the winning bid. So this makes INJ a deflationary token, something that we always like to see. Therefore, today we're looking at 4 top projects in the Injective ecosystem, and we're starting at number 1 here with Helix, which is a DEX, a decentralized exchange with an order book. And we have seen how DEX volumes have gone high with SEC coming after centralized exchanges. You're familiar with Binance and Coinbase and the lawsuits that were launched against them by the SEC. If not, check out this video. But if you're looking for a DEX, Helix could very well be a good fit for you. It offers a decentralized spot and perpetuals exchange. And there's also an easy swap UI, that's user interface, where you can convert USDT or USDC into a variety of crypto assets, or of course the other way around, whatever you prefer. The DEX actually launched on Injective back in September 2022. One of the best features of Helix is their zero gas fees policy, but there are also many other reasons why you may want to trade, for example, your Atom on Helix. So for example, you can get 10 times leverage for long or short positions. That's with the perpetuals. You get rebates on the perpetual markets, a decentralized order book. It is very, very, very fast. There's no front running. You have low fees. It's cross-chain. Then you have market, limit, stop loss, and take profit orders. And it bases trading fees on how much INJ you stake and how much you traded during the last 28 days. Now, Helix does not have a token yet, but with the platform, we can see exactly what the Injective team is looking for and what they're trying to achieve. Remember that at the macro level, Injective is aiming to accommodate financial projects. According to DeFi Llama, Helix has a TVL, a total value locked, of $14.77 million. It only lives on Injective, but as I already mentioned, it's interoperable. So for example, Ethereum and IBC on Cosmos. Check out Helix if you're interested. I'll include a link to it a little bit further down in the description. So just scroll down, but I'll include a link to Helix. You can check it out for yourself. Next up, and at number 2 on our list, is Astroport. Ticker, Astro, A-S-T-R-O. Astroport is an AMM, an automated market maker, and of course, it's built on Injective. Looking to DeFi Llama once again, the TVL here of Astroport is $32 million. But it's notable that Injective only has a few $1,000,000 worth of that volume. Like I mentioned, Astroport has its own token, Astro. It's one of the many projects that started on the Terra network. And that's now known as Terra Classic. For instance, governance is only available on the Terra chain. And so the idea is that you can swap a variety of tokens. Because Astroport offers various pool types, they combine 6 years of Ethereum, DeFi, and AMM experience in the Cosmos ecosystem. And you can use Astroport on 3 chains, those being Terra, Injective, and Neutron. We'll look at 3 different types of pools on offer, the first of which are constant product pools. And these are pools that can accommodate token pairs with high volatility. So for example, Astro AXI USDC. The LP fee is 2%, or for ex-Astro stakers, 1%. And these are kind of like Uniswap pools. At number 2, Astroport offers stable swap pools. And these are more capital efficient pools, and that's because the token pair exchange rate stays more or less at 1-to-1. The swap fee is 0.025% for LPs and ex-Astro stakers alike. And these are more like curve pools. And for number 3, we have passive concentrated liquidity pools. Here, LPs can get a little bit higher in terms of fees. That's because they target a specific price range for their trades. Uniswap, Curve, and Balancer also offer these pools. In addition, Astroport also offers a bridge that's between Injective and Terra. They offer a swap service as well as governance. And to bridge other assets, you can use the Injective bridge. Moving right along to number 3 here on our list, we're looking at Elixir Finance, ticker ELXR. Elixir is the latest addition actually to Injective. They only integrated earlier this month in June, and so DeFi Llama doesn't even have any TVL tracking data available yet. But that being said, you can add liquidity in pairs on Injective, and as a result, you can earn rewards from the Open Liquidity Program, or OLP, by Injective. You get access to a 60,000 INJ per epoch. 1 epoch is the equivalent of 28 days, and you need to take part in at least 2 epochs, so at least 56 days. Elixir offers 2 options for algorithmic market making. It offers access to both decentralized and centralized exchange pairs. And so Elixir is active really in both DEXs and centralized exchanges with algorithmic market making, which is a nice plus. Currently, 50 dApps already use Elixir for market making, and on their testnet, they had $300 million of real trading volume. And some of these integrations are, just for example, with DYDX, SudoSwap, Perennial, Injective Labs, Magpie, and Perpetual Protocol. Keep your eye on this one. Nothing is available yet as far as ELXR price information, but the protocol will soon have its own token. Validators and nodes are going to need to stake this token, which is also used for governance. Last but not least, at number 4 on our list, we're looking today at Talis Protocol, which is something, I guess, completely different actually when you consider it against the other ones on this list. Talis Protocol is an NFT platform. So it is, for example, transparent, trustless, and decentralized. It's active on the Terra and Juno blockchains, and it bridges physical and digital art. Some of you will remember the term phygital. This is the new designation when it comes to describing the union of physical and digital art. So for example, things like an NFT museum can become possible. You can kick back, you can relax, and really enjoy some pretty interesting eye candy if that's your thing. Or a marketplace where you can trade NFTs, non-fungible tokens. And they also offer a launchpad where you can explore their various collections. We realize that NFTs may not be for anybody, but I guess the point is here in terms of this list is that you can kind of pick and choose what appeals to you. All of these are high profile right now. They're making a lot of noise in the space, and they're part of that rapidly expanding, exponentially in fact, expanding Injective ecosystem. Let me know what you think about Injective, whether you're bullish on its growth overall, what you think about these 4 projects. And who knows, maybe we've left some other Injective projects off this list that you feel are worth exploring, that are worth mentioning. If that's the case, comment below, let us know which ones we omitted and which ones you'd like to see us cover in the future. I want to remind you quickly at the end of this video that we have an exclusive new campaign with ByBit that includes up to $81,000 in prizes, of which you can get your share, and you can earn up to $30,000 just based on how much you deposit and how much you trade. Also, at the same time, we're launching our brand new trading competition that has up to $51,000 in its prize pool. And the idea is super simple. The more you deposit and trade, the more you can earn. And if you want to find out more, just click the link in the description below.